This week on Dateline Schools, talking about trying to get our kids ready for the start of the new school year, regardless of how that's going to look. And to give us some tips, my special guest is behavior specialist from St. Clair County RESA, Joe Zima. And Joe, all this week, you've been giving us some great tips on what to do. You even mentioned you've got a video that you put out. Is that something that parents can access to take a look at and try to reinforce what their kids' teachers are doing in the classroom?
Yeah, so one thing in terms of the video that Dr. Miller, our superintendent, partnered with Dr. Mercanton at the health department. So that's a video that was kind of co-done by St. Clair County RESA and the St. Clair County Health Department. It's about 10 minutes long, so it's very watchable. It's a really well done video, but it covers the facts of COVID-19 and what we can do. I think this is the most important part for parents and teachers, what we can do moving back into the classroom to stay safe. That video can be accessed directly on our website. So if parents or teachers or anyone really goes to stclaircountyresa.org, it's right on the front of our webpage. And it's called COVID-19, What You Need to Know. It's right there on the front page. So you go to the stclaircountyresa.org. You'll see Dr. Mercanton is kind of the screen capture there on the video. But again, COVID-19, What You Need to Know, that can be accessed on the website. And we also have a ton of resources for our directors, our principals, our teachers. And I would just say probably the easiest thing to do is call St. Clair RESA and chat with one of our behavior specialists, myself, Renee, Natalie, Lori. You can find all of our numbers and our pictures there on our website. We can direct you to any kind of resources you may need. One of the last documents that we did for all of our special ed directors, we put all of the resources for positive behavior supports into a one-page document that shows buildings how they can teach new expectations like wearing a mask, reinforce for those things. So we can get that to folks. And then the last thing I would say is you can either call St. Clair RESA or on pbis.org. There's a document called Supporting Families with PBIS at Home. So it's just some basic behavioral tips that families can be doing at home to get ready for the school year and help prepare their students for going back. Again, most people are probably driving or listening to this information though, so they can go on our website or they can call us directly, and you can find all of our numbers on the St. Clair County RESA website. That's what we're largely here for, to support our teachers and our community with any questions or resources, and we can get that directly out to folks.
We'll be back with more tomorrow for Dateline Schools. I'm Terry.